Hello friends, Jason here for TheChartGuys taking a look at silver. We saw a nice weekly bear flag, and last week we thought we were looking at the execution of that bear flag, and instead we got ourselves an area of a nice double bottom. We're going to mark that and take a look at it as we head into the video, but we didn't get any follow through on that. Now when you get lack of a follow through on the break of a pattern, you need to zoom out, and when we zoom out on the monthly, we can see that we are setting up for what could be a monthly bull flag. So again, to reiterate, a lack of bearish execution on that weekly bear flag gives us the idea that we may in fact be in a monthly bull flag, and that weak break is representation of strength in the opposite direction. In this case, we're going to be looking for upside to stay inside this weekly pattern, and if we do get a good follow through, we have the potential for a pretty good amount of fun here on silver. And this chart actually makes a little bit more sense than gold, but gold's doing a very similar thing where we had a lack of follow through on a potential pattern. So on the weekly time frame, we are looking at our key levels. There's that double bottom of 1653. Now what we need to do is see nice upside continuation. We need to break over our last high attempt at 1732 and establish another higher low over 1653. That will have us correcting this weekly downtrend that we are currently in. Failure to break 1732 is just going to be a continuation of this weekly downtrend. On the daily time frame, here is that double bottom 2 days in a row. Bulls nicely in control and heading to the upside. Our next clear resistance is that same weekly at 1732. However, we need to establish a daily higher low. We haven't done that for a while. So what I would like us to do is to slow down, come consolidate, maybe even just move sideways. I'm fine with that. Let's establish a new daily support level that we can work against as we head into the resistance at 1732. That's what I'd like to see happen next. So far, bulls in absolute control of this last week's of action, and it's going to be really represented well on the 4-hour time frame. Here is our 4-hour pattern. Higher highs, higher lows, doing very, very well. Nice tightening range here, probably not quite an equilibrium on the 50-minute time frame, though we do have an inside bar, a bear break that has failed, and a little bit of upside move here. So we can look for hourly support, and this is going to be an hourly double bottom at 1696, and we have 4-hour support here at 1697. Did I say that correctly? Yes, I did. All right, good. All right, moving on. 4-hour time frame, very much in control of the bulls. And on the hourly time frame, we're starting to see a little bit of slowdown, a little bit of weakness. We do have a tightening range here. Here's that double bottom with our low at 1696. We have a very close to a double bottom here with our low at 1696 as well, but slightly different numbers. What's standing out to me on the hourly time frame is that we're losing higher highs. We're getting a little bit of a tightening range. So what we're going to do is try to determine, when do we break this pattern? Here's our double bottom. Here's our lower highs. Our last high is at 1706. We could be in a nice hourly bull flag right now, but I want to see us break over 1706, knock out these two other resistance levels, and that will have us looking very, very strong into the hourly and as into a continuation of this 4-hour consolidation. Anyway, that is it. Hopefully that was eloquent enough. I think I hesitated myself there and consolidated some of my cool words. Anyhow, if you like this stuff, check out TheChartGuys.com. We have an incredibly devoted team, and we absolutely love helping people. I encourage you to check out our website, and if you need help getting started in technical analysis and you don't want to pay for it, that is fine with me. I'll help you anyway. Send me a message. I'll answer some questions, get you some resources. We'll get you on your way. Anyway, thanks.